Hey everyone, now you are done with the basics. It's time to write a program. So in this video, I will explain you the structure of a program. And then in the next one, we will write our first program. So whenever you open a new coding window in Arduino IDE, you see these two options there. Void setup, in which we have put your setup code here to run once. Then we have void loop, in which we have put your main code here to run repeatedly. Now what they are and what's their use, that's what we are going to discuss in this video. So a structure of program consists of mainly three things. First one is declaring pins. Now what does it mean? Suppose you are creating a project in which you want to make a LED blink. So you have connected that one on pin number 3. Then you wrote a code and uploaded to Arduino. Now there's one thing here. How the Arduino will understand that at which pin it needs to supply the output voltage, because there are 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins. So how the Arduino will choose the right one? So that is done by declaring pins, and we do that by using variables, about which we will discuss in the next videos. So first of all, we need to define that this is the pin that we are going to use, so that Arduino will not throw output voltage at random pins. Now after declaring the pin, we need to set up that pin. Now what does setup mean? Suppose now you are creating a different project in which you are using the same pin, but you have connected a sensor there instead of a LED. So here this pin will act as an input pin, because sensor is taking the data from the environment and providing it to the Arduino as an input. But in the case of LED, the pin is providing output. It's acting as an output pin. So this is what setup means. We need to define that we are using that pin as an input pin or as an output pin. So we do that in the beginning of the code, and we just need to do it once, because after that we will use that pin in the same mode during the whole program. And that's what here to run once mean. Now once we are done with declaring the pins and setting up the pins, we will move to the main program, and we write that one in void loop. So whatever the main functioning of our program, we will create that one in void loop, and it will run again and again until we turn off our Arduino. Like in the case of blinking an LED, we just need to write it only twice. First one is to make that LED glow, then to turn off, and rest the void loop will handle. It will run that again and again. So this is about the structure of a program. Now let's understand it much better by creating one by our own. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.